That to you.
You did.
Happy Easter, Belle. Belle, happy Easter. You like it? Let me see. It has, what is in my shirt? Butterflies. And what is that? Do you like that?
They're short.
Nice. That's a skirt.
Short.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
A short inside a skirt.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It's a skirt. What's that? Ooh. You don't like clothes? You do? Who gave that to you?
They're my favorite colors.
Very nice. Ooh. Who put it there?
Wait, did you buy it?
Of course I did. It's for Belle. Happy Easter.
Thank you. Hey, a rabbit.
Is it a rabbit?
Easter rabbit.
It is?
Easter bunny.
You know you're getting another present from Nang Jen and Nang Jay.
It's pink.
You like that?
This is the last one.
And what's your favorite? That all came from... And... Who else?
Voila. Last one.
No more. That's it.
Last one.
Okay, let me take a picture, okay?